I came to praise Caesar, not to bury him. The president sees himself as Caesar, so why not acknowledge that? I titled the show The Game, All Things Trump, a game that Donald Trump created. He represented what a lot of people wanted America to be. That vision of Donald Trump has stayed with him and with a lot of Americans. I see Donald Trump as being as controversial, probably even more controversial than I am. A lot of people hate me, they hate my work, they just hate me for being me. That's why I do the work in spite of these people. It's not whether you win or lose, it's whether you win. That has been the Donald Trump motto all his life.
I don't have words for this show because it's the greatest portrait made of anybody, by anybody in the 21st century. This should be bought by a museum and placed as is as a portrait. Trump would love this show.